The rabbit can expect a lot of good things in terms of career. Baka magkaroon ka ng promotions. If you have the rabbit on the year, maraming hindi mo inaasahan o yung distant na mga relatives or distant friends biglang magiging ka-business mo, that's fine. Hindi kailangan umiwas ng rabbit because they have a good star for this one. If it's on the month, a rabbit on the month is also a good sign. That means there will be a new business that could come. There could be a new supplier or a new market that could open. The rabbit can expect a lot of good things in terms of career, baka magkaroon ka ng promotions. If it's on the day, mag-ingat lang yung self mo. Because ang pinaka-iingatan mo lang, try to travel lang less. When I say travel, it's not traveling by land. It's traveling by air that you have to actually be doing less, no? Kasi medyo nandito yung danger mo, no? Yung nasa air, hindi nasa land, no? And then if it's on the hour, ang rabbit mo, then that's a good sign, no? Because ang ibig sabihin nito, there will be some mga assets mo na natutulog lang, bigla may bibili. Meron kang mga mabebenta na mga assets mo na mag-appreciate ng sobrang taas, yan, no? Or there could also be a land that you can acquire that could make a lot of money para sa inyo, no? Ang ingatan lang ng rabbit is that the countering energy is kapag kayo ay bumisita sa burol, sa lamay, sa libing, sa ospital, baka mawala yung kind of luck na to. So, iwasan, iwasan, iwasan.